If your car starts having these issues after an oil change, you should pay attention. It's very likely that you used the wrong oil. Number 1, engine noise. Engine oil is a crucial lubricant for the engine. If you don't add enough oil or use the wrong type, your engine won't be properly lubricated, which can cause noise and other problems. Additionally, it can lead to increased fuel consumption. If too much oil is added, it can actually increase the internal resistance of the engine, leading to higher fuel consumption. Number 3, the engine has an unstable idle. Using oil with the wrong viscosity for your car can make acceleration feel sluggish and the throttle unresponsive, leading to more engine wear and affecting its normal operation. If you notice any of these issues, it's best to visit a professional auto repair shop to determine the cause. To ensure the normal use and driving safety of the vehicle,